Best foldable electric bikes. Folding electric bikes are some of the most versatile personal electric vehicles you can buy for sheer convenience and ease of use. They don't require a bike rack or a big car to haul around. You can store one in a closet or an out-of-the-way corner at home. They're very budget-friendly, and you still get most of the same features as you do on a non-folding model. In a number of cases, a folding e-bike might be the only electric bike you'll want or need. If you live in a small apartment, for example, or you're a student on a tight budget. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best foldable electric bikes available today, comparing performance, portability, and value to help you find the perfect ride for your daily commute or weekend adventures. Number 5. Ride 1UP Portola. If you're searching for the best bang for your buck folding e-bike, the Ride 1UP Portola should definitely be on your radar. Staying true to Ride 1UP's reputation for delivering premium features at affordable prices, the Portola undercuts much of the competition while offering specs you'd normally only see on higher-end models, all for under $1,000. And these aren't minor upgrades either. You're getting a more powerful motor, larger and more reliable brakes, longer suspension travel, an extra gear, and even a higher rack weight capacity compared to most bikes in this category. But what really makes the Portola stand out is the overall ride experience. From its solid frame construction to clean welds and a sleek paint finish, this bike feels far more refined than many budget options that often feel like random parts put together. Everything about it feels intentional and well-engineered. It's the little details that truly elevate it, like the folding handlebars with a built-in safety lock, comfortable locking palm rest grips, and a smart control layout that allows you to access both the shifter and brakes without repositioning your hands. At the end of the day, the Portola delivers an impressive balance of performance, build quality, and affordability. If you want a folding e-bike that doesn't cut corners while still staying budget-friendly, this is easily one of the best value options available right now. Number 4. Electric One. The Electric One is where things get seriously premium. Electric didn't just upgrade a few parts. They completely rethought what a folding e-bike can be. Right away, the standout feature is the Pinion automatic gearbox, which delivers smooth, intelligent shifting without you having to think about gears at all. Pair that with a Gates carbon belt drive, and you get a ride that's not only quiet and efficient, but also virtually maintenance-free. No greasy chains, no derailleur adjustments, no hassle. Performance is equally impressive. With up to 1,300 W of peak power and a 14Ah battery, this bike has the strength for quick acceleration and solid range, making it suitable for both city commutes and longer rides. The addition of hydraulic disc brakes ensures confident stopping power, while the color display keeps everything easy to monitor. Now, it's worth noting, this isn't a fully folding bike like others in its category. The frame doesn't fold, only the handlebars do. That means it's less compact overall, but still easier to fit into a car thanks to the reduced height. What really sets it apart is the riding experience. The automatic shifting makes it feel incredibly intuitive. Once you try it, it's hard to go back. Add in the clean drivetrain design, no exposed gears, and you get a bike that's both durable and travel-friendly. At around $2,200, the value is honestly hard to beat. You'd struggle to buy these components individually at that price, let alone get them pre-assembled into such a refined package. Number 3. Haybike Mars. The Haybike Mars 2.0 is a powerful and versatile folding e-bike designed for riders who want more than just a smooth city commute. Built with 4-inch wide fat tires and 65mm front suspension, it easily handles rough roads, gravel, and light off-road trails. The wide tires provide excellent grip and stability, making every ride feel controlled and comfortable, even on uneven terrain. This bike also comes equipped with a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, allowing you to adjust your speed based on different riding conditions. The center-mounted display keeps all your essential ride data visible, while the hydraulic disc brakes offer strong and reliable stopping power. These features combine to deliver a high-quality riding experience that stands out in this price range. Performance is where the Mars 2.0 truly impresses. It feels fast, responsive, and fun to ride, whether you're commuting or exploring new paths. With a price of under $1,200, it offers incredible value. There's also a more affordable 750W version available for under $1,000, still delivering solid power and performance. Number 2. Gotrax F3 2.0. The Gotrax F3 2.0 is a comfort-focused fat tire e-bike that delivers excellent value under $1,300. It features wide tires, a stable frame, and a smooth ride quality that makes it ideal for long commutes or casual adventures. Powered by a 500W motor and a 13.6Ah battery, it offers solid performance and range for its class. The 8-speed Shimano drivetrain adds flexibility, while the color display keeps your ride data clear and accessible. What truly sets it apart is the torque sensor, which adjusts motor power based on how hard you pedal, giving a more natural and responsive riding experience compared to typical e-bikes. With added comfort, strong components, and an optional folding design for easy transport, the F3 2.0 is a great choice for riders who prioritize smooth, effortless riding without spending too much. Number 1. Electric XP Lite 2.0. The Electric XP Lite 2.0 is one of the best budget e-bikes under $800, offering a simple, lightweight, and easy-to-use design. It's perfect for quick errands, short commutes, or casual rides around the neighborhood. Its standard bicycle feel makes it very beginner-friendly. Just hop on and ride without any learning curve. Despite its compact size, it still delivers smooth and enjoyable performance for everyday use. While it may feel a bit small for taller riders over 6 feet 1 inch, it still supports up to 275 pounds, making it usable for most people. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable, and low-maintenance e-bike, ideal for anyone starting their e-bike journey without spending too much.